As you're there, baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you are new to my channel, my name is Natashia, and in today's video, I'm showing you guys how I curl my synthetic extensions with heated rollers. Let's go ahead and get this party started. So I do use an oil on my hair. This is the Palmer's coconut oil. This is the hair and scalp oil. I love this stuff. Now this can weigh your hair down, so you only need kind of like a dime size amount. You always want to have a heat protectant. I have the Chi 44 Iron Guard. I love the way Chi products smell. Also, I will be applying my clip-in extensions. So I use Not Your Mother's Beach Babe dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is just gonna help get the oil out of my clip-ins. The star of the show are the Remington. These are the heated rollers. I bought these off of Amazon. I'm going to start out with spraying my clip-in extension with dry shampoo. To detangle, we're just gonna brush the hair out. And this smells like coconut. I love all things coconut. Let's just take the hair down. It's already gonna be a mess. Applying my Chi heat protectant. Okay, I sprayed 2 pumps into my hand. We're gonna put this on my ends. These clip-ins do have 3 clips because I want this to be secure. We don't want these clips moving throughout the day. I'm gonna go with the largest roller, which are the pink rollers. Of course, you want to make sure your hair is straight. I'm trying to get in my hair with the roller. And they are hot, I'm not gonna lie. These pins actually have little dots on them, and this one has pink dots. So I know, since I'm using a pink roller, this is the pin I need to use. We're gonna do the middle section of my hair. Once again, grabbing a pink roller. And I actually curl up, grabbing another pink roller. Like I said, they are hot. They are hot. Pink pin. Clipping the hair. First section done. Let's move on to the next section. I try to put my clip-ins as low as possible. I do that so just in case, like, if the wind is blowing, you gotta think about the elements, you know? If the wind is blowing, you're not really gonna see those clip-ins. The higher up the clip-in, you will see. Trust me, I've learned. Just doing a little bit more dry shampoo on my second clip-in. You just want to make sure the hair lays on the roller. Pink pin. This is the last pink roller in the set. So with these Remington rollers, you get 6 pink rollers, which are the largest rollers. So now we're gonna move on to the purple rollers. These are a lot smaller than the pink rollers. I shouldn't say a lot smaller, but they are smaller than the pink rollers. They have blue or purple pins. I'm gonna say blue pins, but I knew what they were trying to do. Another purple roller, and make sure you bring the rollers all the way down to your ends, and you want to make sure that your ends are very smooth. And I typically leave my rollers in when I'm doing my makeup, and my makeup takes me about 20 minutes in the morning. And just to get a time estimate, it takes me about 10 minutes to roll my hair. And I roll my hair maybe twice a week, depending on if I wrap my hair the night before. But these curls do last. And we have 3 rollers left. Let's move on to laying these edges because they are out of control right now. So I have my olive oil edge control. This is what it looks like. And I have my baby hair brush. I will get the rest of the flyaways when I come back. So I'm gonna go get dressed. I've had these rollers in for about 20 minutes. Let's take them out and check out the final result. I do start with the back. Booyah. I do kind of let them just fall on the floor. I know you all are seeing these curls. Look at these curls. Look at this. So my clip-ins are hidden. You cannot see them. There goes the second one. The other one's right here. That side's done. Let's work on this side. So I kind of just push the hair back. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.